checking out my video. Today I'm gonna do a quick video on how to do a quick photo shoot for a baby at home with items that you most likely have at home, or actually able to come up with something similar. But first, I have a huge favor to ask. Please subscribe, and that will tell me that you do like my videos, and that will motivate me to create some more of those videos. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is not your studio, nothing fancy. It's just a piece of my furniture, blanket, and I kind of pinched it in one of the drawers so it has a little backdrop. My baby's toy that he got. Obviously this is Boppy pillow. I'll show you in a minute what to do with it. And I found this cute little light. Not sure when and where I got this, but it's gonna work out pretty good. This piece I actually made a couple days ago, and it was hanging in my office, and I thought it would work out pretty cute with everything else. Pinched it in one of those drawers to make it hang down low enough for baby to safely lay, but just propped a little. I will throw this pillow right under this blanket. This is what I have with that pillow under the blanket, and I'm gonna lay my son in here. He's already asking to be.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.